Knowledge Exchange Summit Lonavala. So I'll be asking about the event later. Before that, I just need to ask you one thing. What according to you is the vision for governance in the country? Because you are one of the leading policymakers in the country, an experienced person. So do you think that governance is the way ahead to bring back transparency, to give citizens services to citizens?
This country has a lot of scope for governance, because first of all, we have so many complexities in this country in terms of population, in terms of caste, in terms of religion, languages, aspirations of people, and therefore different governments are under pressure to give result, and therefore in a hurry almost all governments are going in different directions, and they are adopting various methods to introduce transparency, give results in a quicker way, and therefore I think that if you can integrate the entire process and entire effort, we can really take it very forward with a good speed and complete transparency and uniformity in the country. Therefore, I think it has a lot of scope in this country.
So coming back to your department, planning, what kind of role do you see in departments like planning, in the role of e-governance or in-governance for the overall implementation of various projects, development projects?
See, as I was mentioning in yesterday's workshop, that Maharashtra government has started the State Data Bank. And State Data Bank is a concept of umbrella website or portal where anybody can enter and then go into various directions, enter into any website of any department, any public sector undertaking, any commission which is functioning for the government. And they can also have the latest data available from various portals, updated by the respective departments. They can also have the freedom to download that information for their use in academics or research or in court matters, in personal issues. They can download that data also. And I see that Government of Maharashtra, after having introduced this State Data Bank concept, lot of departments will have to be brought on the State Data Bank. Almost all departments will have to be brought on that. And then using this, we can really take e-governance issues fast forward.
So last question, Knowledge Exchange Lonavala, how you are liking the event?
I think it's very well organized by you, and in the beginning only when people had come to me and they extended this offer, I did realize that a lot of prominent people from industry, a lot of prominent decision makers from government and also service providers will be meeting, and we'll have a good opportunity to exchange our views, share our experiences and learn from each other's experience. I have personally gained in the sense that whatever we have learned about cloud technology or mobile devices, available analytics, etc., in these 3-4 areas, wherever I had hazy concepts, they are becoming clearer, and I can really benefit from it, and I am sure all the decision makers who are present here, they will benefit from it, and we can take the entire e-governance effort quite forward.